What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video coming to you from Cleveland, the outskirts of Cleveland, I think. Dude got a lids here. We saw lids have the 30% off. Let's go. All right, everything is priced as marked. They don't have any extra sales here, which is weird because we saw sales out in Pittsburgh. Kind of interesting. Got fleece going for $30. These are normally $50. And these are down to 30. Ohio State, I guess it's their own brand. But they also do have other colleges as well. Those are normally 60 and these are down to 30. Got a Kentucky University one right here. Stadium brand. Yeah, they got a few Kentucky ones, mostly Ohio State, of course. Yeah, this one's nice. Huge embroidering on it. This one's badass. Got a bunch. $30, not the greatest deal. Not bad though, because these are normally $60, $70 for these normally. Dude got a bunch of necklaces here. This one's pretty dope. Ohio State. I just don't want to pay full price for these. They're not necessarily cheap. $30. They're not that expensive. Actually, I thought they were more, to be really honest. This is the Browns one right here. This is $35. For some reason, I thought they were way more. $35. Oh man. If I see a Niners one, I guess I'll have to grab one. Like I said, I thought they were way more expensive. $35. That's not bad. Got Bengals ones. I know not all the teams are readily available. I am looking for an Eagles one for one of the homies. $33 for these. Ohio State one. $33. Then they got a clearance section. I did talk to one of the workers. They said everything's priced as marked. So $64 for these. Nike dry fits. Browns one right here going up for $60. Cavs jacket right here going for $50. This is a... Alright, this confused me because it said Hardwood Classic. I thought that was just Mitchell & S. But this is G3 brand. Plenty of Browns gear. $60. This is a pretty fire jersey, the old school Cavs jersey, World Be Free. We played in, what, the 70s, I think? $65 for these. If this was on sale, additional 30, additional 50, I probably would grab one. These are fire, though. Rockets jerseys. I don't know. Who is that? What green is that? I don't know. $30 for those. And they do have LeBron James jerseys. These are $105 though. Oh. Kyler Murray jerseys. Apparently they changed the design of their jerseys. So these are $40 here. Dang, that's almost the same price as the Marshalls and stuff. That's a solid price. Holy cow. Alright, they got more stores. Let's go. Alright, they do got a Skechers. Oh, it's right next to the New Balance. Alright, let's go do New Balance instead. That was close, man. That was close. One of the more popular silhouettes, the 990s on sale for $140. That is a solid deal. These normally go for $175, $180. So that is a fantastic deal. Do use some premium materials, and it is made in America. I hadn't seen these for under $180 like ever till recently. So damn, that's a steal. Do gotta give New Balance props, because who else makes shoes out in England as well as the US? That is pretty fire. Let's check out the back section with their 30% off deals. I am whispering like I'm at a freaking library. It is quiet as hell in here, man. It is quiet as hell. Are these some Omnis? Did they got Omni ones? That is crazy. I haven't seen these in forever. Size 9, $50. So $35 after a discount. If you are a Kawhi fan and you collect those, that is pretty fire. Then do they got the Omni lows? I didn't know they made low versions of those. The hell? Yeah, these are size 9. These are $50. 320, 5740s. We've been seeing a ton of these. Kawhi ones, we've been seeing these as well. 70 for those. And then the Bodegas, they still got the Bodega 574s going for $80. I wonder if I should have just gotten one of these, man, just so I could have both of them. I like finishing sets nowadays and stuff, so I love having sets of stuff. I should have just grabbed one. Why didn't I grab one? So dumb, dude. Yeah, they're only $80. Do get an extra 30 off on top. Damn, I feel dumb for not grabbing one. Dang it. Size 10s. Got some 515s right here. Going for 60. Got multiple colorways. Got another colorway of the 5740s right here. Going for 80. 327s. 80 bucks for those. I need to move up to the size 11s to see some interesting stuff. Got some shoes with a ton of fresh foam on it. That's a whole lot of fresh foam. Don't know the name of those. 100 bucks for those. And size 12, do got the 996s on sale for 110. You do get an extra 30 off. That's a hell of a deal. Got some of these monarch looking things as well for 60 bucks. Another colorway of the 996 right here. That's a dope colorway with the gum bottom. They don't even have size 13, 14, 15. That's the biggest size is size 12. That's hilarious. No love for Big Feet Gang here at New Balance. That is hilarious. Damn, that sucks. All right, let's check out some of the stuff in the aisles. And I say some things, not everything, because they have a bunch of this generic stuff. Fresh foam Roabs, what the heck? And 680s, just low-end running shoes. But I showed these earlier. These are ridiculous. This is such a good price for these. Like I said, I've never seen these on sale. Made in America. I give them a lot of credit for making sneakers in America, and now we're seeing them on sale. That's what's up. And 1080 V12s, solid price for those. We've seen some of the 11s go for crazy cheap, but I haven't seen one of those in a while. The women's section do got 574s, going for a little more than I want, because we've seen these for cheaper at a lot of the retail shops. I am a huge fan of the 574, especially the nice materials, nice suede like that. Of course, you can't wear suede here because, man, weather changes so quick. I can't believe it was raining and now it's like 90 degrees. It's hot as hell outside. 237s right here. 515s excluded from the promo. And yeah, these look nice. I'm a fan of the 515s. Kind of look similar to the 574s. And the 997s right here, which we saw in the men's. And got 990s in the women too. Slight sale on them. Slight sale. Not as cheap as the men's, but these are normal, like I said, these are normal like 175, 180-ish, I believe. And then the 1080s in women's. We got a couple colorways. And then more and more generics in the women's. All right, let's go check out some more spots. Got a couple gourmet food trucks here. Oh, that's just Auntie Anne's. I didn't know that they have food trucks. Y'all can say thanks to LA for the gourmet food truck industry. More specifically, what is it, the Gogi truck who started that trend? What, 15 years ago? All right, do got Adidas. 50% off all kinds of stuff. Weird store. I guess they're going for the farm look, so it's in like a barn or a bungalow or something. I don't know. All right, let's go see what's up. 50% off all kinds of stuff. Clearance section in the back. Not too big. Got a couple interesting pieces though. Ultra Boost 22s. Go for 100 bucks to get another 50 off, so not bad. So 50 bucks for Ultra Boost. These go for 140, so what? $70 for those, not too bad. Of course, I've been getting my Ultra Boost at Ross, so can't really compare with that. What the hell is this? Pro Model lows, size 20? That's crazy. They look like Hulk shoes right there. Like something that Hulk would wear. That's funny. Yep, size 20, 75. Get that 50 off. Got some Adidas Bostons for you running people. Got Light Strike Pro on those. Some serious running shoes. 130 for those. That's a solid deal. On issue 2s, going for 60, so $30 after discount. Pretty much similar prices to Marshall's. Dame 8s. These going for $79.95. On issue 4s, $120 for these bad boys. More Don issue 4s up there, going for $120, so $60 after the sale. These are down to $90, so what, $45 for the Puigs. Checking out the aisles, Don issue 4s getting more. Checking out the aisles, the Don issue 4s getting cheaper. Oh, it went back up, never mind. So obviously it depends on the colorway. Some leftover 3s. This is actually a dope colorway right here. But yeah, 40 bucks for these, not bad. This is a pretty dope colorway. That's it for the basketball too. Got Forum lows. These are the mediocre lows. Like, tell the leather's very plasticky. Got multiple colorways though. Superstars right there. Kind of on sale. And MDs also kind of on sale. This one's going for 60 bucks, so normally $1.60. Retro Peas. These look like they got a ton of boost in the back. Then we got Alpha Bounce slides. The Alpha Bounce 2.0 slides going for hella cheap. $21.50. Black and white for those. Just the regular Adidas comfort slides. These got a lot of cushioning on them. $17.50 for those. And then the old Asian man slides. That's what I associate these at, $17.50. Dude got some 4Ds going for the cheapest I've seen them. These look pretty fire. And then these are the ones that I did find at Ross yesterday. Oh my goodness, y'all will see that video, or hopefully you guys have already seen the video. I don't know what order they're gonna be at, but yeah, $1.30 for these. I got these for $25 at Ross. Oh my goodness. And then yeah, $1.30 for these. Boost, Ultra Boost Light. These look like they got a ton of boost on them. $1.30. Their boost on sale for $35. Upper's just not as nice. I think these are women's, right? Yeah, women's. Uncaged, no laces. $30 after discount. They only have small sizes, 6 and under though. Then look at this. Cold Ready Ultra Boost for $30. But they only have up to size 5.5. Dang. And even these, look at this. Look at this. This one, they have some decent sizes up to size 7.5. But yeah, 45 bucks. And then, yeah, it's a women's version of the one I got. $1.30. More of the women's. Some of them, the sales or whatever. So 100 bucks, not too shabby. But we've just seen some of these for way cheap. Like, look at this one. $60 for these. They have a size 10. Or it goes up to size 10. And then just some of the other ones. This one's not bad either. Look at that. 60 bucks for Ultra Boost. Not bad. Alright, do got more stores to hit up. Let's go. I think I got one more for this vlog too. Let's go. They do have tons of bodies of water out here. I don't know if it's like Florida, but do have a ton. And they're saying, hey, don't leave your animals. That's funny. Alright, yeah, it did just rain just a few minutes ago, and it is starting to warm up. Humidity is pretty high. Alright, I think they got one more shop here worth visiting. And then here's a Finishline. Let's go see what's up with this Finishline at this outlet mall. Look at this, and look at this. What's going on here? Oh, it's 90 bucks, man. I got mine cheaper. I don't think I'm gonna release that vlog till later. Maybe this week, I don't know. But I did grab one of these bad boys for $60. I do have this at home because I got it for 60 bucks. Shout out to Bosco's channel, Bosco Mitchell. Check out his channel because he's the one who showed everybody, and I ran out there and grabbed one. But yeah, not 90, not bad. But you know, we could just do better. I'm just saying. I used to love this song with Akon. Akon was fire. But yeah, do got some of these. We are seeing a few of these in the wild. And these are pretty much sold out everywhere, right? So it's on the last size section. This is a 10.5 women's, which is a 9 men's. Then we are starting to see these. Oh, this is a grade school, right? Yeah, grade school, 80 bucks. And in grade school, starting to see these go on sale. Jordan 2 Chicago's, and then, yeah, they didn't even throw this on sale, man. Come on now, throw that on sale. I think I found one of these at Burlington, paid like $42 or something. It's a part of Bosco Mitchell's giveaway. I hope you guys were watching his videos because he is doing giveaways. Dude, got some of these on sale right here. Okay, slight sale. Then Adidas bringing back the Crazy 8s. Okay. Alright, haven't seen these around. $1.60 for those. Some great material on it. Patent leather and some nubuck or suede. Okay. Trainer 1s. We've been seeing Trainer 1s on sale everywhere lately. So $20 off. We do got the mids right there. And yeah, these are falling. That's awesome. Keep falling though. 312s. I haven't seen the 312s on sale. Might be the first time I've seen them on sale. Okay. Multiple colorways as well. That's pretty fire. And just dunks sitting no matter where you go, no matter what state. This one got some nice suede on it. This new buck. Maybe new buck. But yeah, it's not bad though. Not bad, $110. You got Prestos, you got Hirachis. We've been seeing those on sale. Also Air Maxes, Air Max 97s, Air Max 90s. Pretty much all on sale, man. $150 for those Vapor Max Flyknits. Also $125 for the ones down there. Not too bad. All right, that's pretty much about it, you guys. Make sure you help a boy out, press that like button. Make sure you like the video as well, help support the channel, and then watch all these other videos. There's all these videos. Been releasing a ton of videos, 2 a day from different states. Make sure you guys support and watch all those videos. All right, we're out, man. We're out. Let's go.